Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. If you've been following my YouTube channel, you see that the other day I posted a video on how to use this repeater rack using 2 mobile radios to have a full repeater. This video is going to show you how to use this rack for a node and or to get any repeater online. What I mean by that is you would program this radio to your repeater frequency. As long as this radio is within your repeater range, you can get any repeater to ID itself, to do weather announcements, to do other announcements, etc., etc. And I will post a link to that interface board in the description below. And also I will post a link on how you can get these repeater racks for the tyt9000 or the rt9000 mobile radios. Okay, now this is kind of how you could set this up. I have a mini PC down below. I have my interface board plugged in, and then the interface board's plugged in the back of the radio. Now these radio will need the repeater cable, which is a DB9 that plugs into the circuit board. I'll post that link in the description below. Also the link to my interface board. Mini PCs, you can buy those cheap anywhere. And what I do is once I get the computer set up, I just unplug the keyboard, because you don't need the keyboard once this is set up. How I do it is I use, as you can see here, the DB9s in front of the mini PC, and then I'm going to try to turn this. And then I have my USB sound card plugged into the back here, and here is the adapter for my wireless mouse, which I can leave plugged in the back. So that's how I do it. Now, these are the audio cables. And yeah, so this cable here comes from the interface board, plugs in the back of the radio. Like I said, the TYT radio and the RT9000s need that plug installed, so you can plug this cable into it. I'll post that link in the description below. I have a little shelf here, which I'm going to make a better version of the shelf that this interface board is set on. Now, when you do purchase an interface board this type, you will get a 3D printed box for that, and I'll post the link on how to get this interface board in the description below. Now, you can also use this as a base station. You can key up and talk, but when you're done doing that, make sure you unplug the microphone, because when this board keys up, the radio automatically, if the microphone is plugged in, when the radio is keyed up, it automatically turns on the circuit for this microphone. So just unplug this mic when you're done. Now, I may make an adapter that will have a switch on it, so you don't got to keep unplugging that. We'll see. But this, like I said, this repeater rack has a mic holder on both sides, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. There's a microphone holder on here. Like that, and this is plastic, so if your hole's a little bit smaller, you can sand these down a little bit with sandpaper, no big deal. So you can go that route. Yeah, it's a pretty clean setup. Mini PCs, you can get them on eBay, Windows version, or if you're a Raspberry Pi type of person, you could have a Raspberry Pi sitting down here. So whatever you want. But that's how you could do this with the a node, or to get any repeater online. So there you have it. I'll post all the links down below. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.